everybody, Guy here, and I'm back now to my channel. And today we're not doing the trick. It's one and only the new toys of the all fidget spinner, hand spinner, or fidget toy. So a lot of, and this is now the new famous or popular toy in the whole world. And now we are now doing top 5 Guys list that I know from it. So we're doing this one hand spinners. Now let's do it. And 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 20. Now we got 20 seconds, and this is so cool. This I forgot to video. Let me show you, because I just watch and do the tricks, and I got new. This is my own from this guy. See, let's go for like and don't forget to subscribe. That's cool. Now let's do the middle finger. Oh yeah, let's go for 20 likes or 500 likes if we can do that. Is it cool? Don't forget to subscribe and like the button. And my next is in the nose. Oh no. Oops. Oh no. Sorry. Spoiler alert. Because there's accident spoiler alerts. Now let's do the next. Let's do it again. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3. I think that's on my 5. I think that. Smash that subscribe button and the like button. And now I think that we got 1, 2, 3. And this is my last. I think I do a 5. I think it's not a 5 because I forgot. Sorry that. But now let's do the last in 3, 2, 1. Oh, fail. I think I can't do that. I'm sorry guys, but bye. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Guy list that I only know to do the trick. Bye guys.